starters lineup. Samir Handanovic starts in goal. Diego Godin plays alongside Milan Skriniar in defence. Nicolo Barella starts with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. This is the Milan lineup. Gianluigi Donnarumma is the goalkeeper. Alessio Romagnoli plays with Simon Kjær in central defence. Zlatan Ibrahimovic is the lone striker today.
To accept a lame draw.
In goes the cross. Super header. Narrow teammate. Here's Theo Hernandez. It's not a good cross, and it's gone out for a goal kick.
Up sooner or later.
Coming into the penalty area now. Gone for the header, and we love to see that, especially you. Well, here he goes. It's good to see a player do this. Now, for the lead. Very good try. Just off target. Nicolo Barella. Patient play as they try to get the goal that will put them in front. Pulls it back rather than crosses. Well, he's surely going to be one of the best. Donnarumma. Lukaku. Goodness me, it's a great time to score. And in a match like this, to get their focus back on as the game restarts. But they are leading. You can see the smiles on their faces. And you can see a slightly different viewpoint on it. Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummels starts, looking to continue his good form at the back. Julian Brandt starts with Axel Witsel in the centre of the pitch. And they're starting, interestingly, with three forwards. This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Carvajal starts with Marcelo as the fullbacks. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Royce. Must take the lead here. What a save! He's going to get a yellow here. That's the earlier incident, and the ref's got it absolutely right.
Yeah, hands up. He knows that booking was coming his way. And his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Very close, just past the post.
Well, I think half the crowd, you know, thought that was going to nestle in the corner of the net there.
Possession is the name of the game for this team. Striding forward, purposefully. All about picking the run. I'm not sure how he reached it, but he did and kept the ball out. Brilliant.
That's why this is one of the top keepers in the world.
Axel Witsel. Jadon Sancho. Well, he wants to run at them with the ball. It's good to see. Must be a goal. Got his laces behind that one to whip it in the ball. Really drilled across towards his teammates. Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal.
Well, how long's it been on? 1 or 2 minutes? I'm not sure, but he's marked his appearance here with a wonderful goal.
They have scored a really good goal.
But coming in from the right, that was so inviting. Wonderful delivery.
Great ball, great goal. Let's see the replay now.
It's been a joy to watch. Textbook stuff from them.
Slipping it through. What a goal! Oh, it's an offside decision.
Well, the players can't believe it, and neither can the crowd, but it's the right decision.
Just doing this as a tactic. It's hard to understand at the moment. Royce! Oh, well saved. This could be what they call the insurance goal, couldn't it? To make sure of the victory to turn a one-goal lead into two, and no time for recovery, really, if they were to get the goal. This is the Liverpool side. In goal is Alisson. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays alongside Andrew Robertson at the back. Sadio Mane starts with Mohamed Salah in the wide positions, and Roberto Firmino is the one striker. Bayern Munich's lineup. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Serge Gnabry plays with Thomas Muller on the flanks. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. Himself in these circumstances. Thiago. Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. He's put it out, it's gone out for a corner. Joshua Kimmich. Robert Lewandowski. Goretzka. On to Muller. It's a quick break for Bayern Munich, the opening goal.
Yeah, that's a statement of intent in this match. Well, it's a fine individual counter-attack, isn't it? What a goal from him.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal. On the attack here. Could get the ball into the box now. Well, it is a chance to relieve some pressure. Origi. Here's Andrew Robertson. They could be in, behind the back line. Saved by the keeper. The goal that brings Liverpool level.
You cannot deny them that. Always gets involved, this manager. Loves to hug his players after a goal. Great scenes. This is certainly a poacher's effort, the way he's just latched onto it quickly, the way he's got there ahead of the defenders.
Another angle on it here.
Well, you can't blame him. The manager is delighted with the character his team...
This is the martini time of day. Martini Rosso. Anytime, any place, anywhere. Because Martini is the right one.
Integrali misura. Per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma. Con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Sing the streets of serenade. Hey, do the walk on line. With the Sultans, with the Sultans of swing. That ain't working, that's the way you do it.
Dire Straits, Money for Nothing. 10 anni di grande musica in un solo disco.
One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. Different kind of approach from this side, I think. They will get men behind the ball. They will make it difficult for the opposition to score.
It's that old-fashioned art that's quite often ignored of defending, of just resolutely sitting in there and seeing what you can get on the break.
In goes the corner. Decent distance from the punch from the goalkeeper. And safely behind for a goal kick. Young. Trying to stretch the opposition, using the wider areas here. His teammates have recognised the potential of this attack. Luis Suarez! They could go in front here. At long last. They were wondering whether they would ever score, but they have finally done it, and that might break the resistance, which has been so strong. It is deserved, there's no question about it. In the end, it was not the prettiest goal ever, but it could be a very important one. In the end, it was a tap-in when the goalkeeper parried the ball into his path.
Well, you can get 20 goals like that a season if you think that quickly in and around the box.
The 11 who will start the game today. Wojciech Szczesny starts in goal. Matthijs de Ligt starts with Leonardo Bonucci in central defence. Miralem Pjanic starts with Blaise Matuidi in the centre of the park. And finally, the forwards, Cristiano Ronaldo, partners together with Gonzalo Higuain. Paris Saint-Germain, this is their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Thiago Silva plays with Marquinhos in central defence. Marco Verratti plays today with Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. And Kylian Mbappe plays up. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Lovely ball from Ronaldo. How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping.
This lad tends to put a bit of whip on these free kicks. Needs it here.
Delivered into the box. Mbappe. Pablo Sarabia. Has a go here. At full extension, the goalkeeper makes the save. Sarabia! Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
Moving away. Goalkeeper desperate not to be beaten from there, and he wasn't even challenged, was it?
Well, some disbelieving looks from his teammates there who are waiting in the box.
Cavani. Mbappe! Powerful drive, close enough to suggest have another go, son.
Yeah, strong shot. I think the keeper saw it coming all the way, though.